Hello students, let's see the reactions of haloalkanes or the chemical properties of haloalkanes. So there are different chemical properties. First one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So nucleophilic substitution reaction means this is actually a substitution reaction, but this substitution reaction is initiated by a nucleophile. We know that nucleophile is electron rich in nature, so we can represent it as Nu minus. And the alkyl halide can be represented like this, and we know that C is having a partial positive charge and X is having a partial negative charge since CX bond in alkyl halide is polarized. So this is the representation of nucleophile and alkyl halide. So the presence of nucleophile, the nucleophile initiated a substitution reaction. So this nucleophile is substituted in place of halogen and we will get a product like this. So this will be the main product. So nucleophile is substituted here and halogen is departed as halide ion. So halide ion is departed and nucleophile is substituted. So this is the representation of nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halides. Now let us write the common nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. So we can write all the reactions at a stretch, and so Rx, that is the general representation of alkyl halides. This will react with the reagent NaOH aqueous or KOH aqueous. So this is the first reagent. So in this reagent we can see the nucleophilic part. So here OH is the nucleophilic part. So the nucleophilic part that is substituted in place of halogen, and we will get the product as ROH. So ROH will be the product, and we know that this is alcohol. Then the next one is H2O. So H2O can be represented like HOH, and we know that OH is the nucleophilic part. Here also we will get ROH as the main product. This is also alcohol. So in these two cases, the first one is aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH. The second one is H2O. In these two cases, OH is the nucleophilic part and that is substituted and we will get alcohols. Then the next reagent is NaI, sodium iodide. And we know that I minus, I, that is the nucleophilic part, and Ri, so alkyl iodide. So alkyl iodide will be the product. Then the next reagent is RONA, sodium alkoxide. So RO, this is the nucleophilic part and we will get R instead of X, ROR. So ROR will be the product and this is ether. We know that this is ether. Then the next one is NH3. So in NH3, NH2, that is the nucleophilic part, and RNH2 will be the product, and this is amine. So since NH2 is the functional group here, so this will be an amine. Then the next one is KCN. So in this case, this is K plus and Cn minus, and Cn will be the nucleophilic part and this will be RCN. So this is cyanide, alkyl cyanide. Then when AgCN is used, so this is also Cn. Cn is the nucleophilic part, but the linkage is different in this case. This will be RNC. So here in the case of KCN, it is link through C, carbon, and in this case it is link through nitrogen. So here we will get isocyanide. So the product is isocyanide. Then the next one is KNO2. So KNO2, NO2, that part is the nucleophilic part, and we will get RONO. Here O will be linked here, and this is called alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite. And again AgNO2 is the reagent. Here also NO2 is the nucleophilic part, but the linkage is different from KNO2. It is RNO2, and this is nitroalkane. This is nitroalkane. And the another reagent is lithium aluminium hydride, LiAlH4. Here hydrogen is the nucleophilic part, and we will get RH. So this will be a hydrocarbon. So these are the common examples of nucleophilic substitution reactions. So these are the reagents which are written here. And RX, that is alkyl halide. When alkyl halide is treated with these reagents, we will get these products. Here we need to identify the nucleophilic part, and that nucleophilic part is substituted in place of halogen. We will get the nucleophilic substituted products. So in the case of sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and water, OH is the nucleophilic part and alcohol will be the product. In the case of sodium iodide, I, that part will be the nucleophilic part. I minus, we know that Na plus and I minus. So that is the charge of sodium and iodine. So Na plus and I minus. So I will be the nucleophile. We will get Ri, that is called alkyl iodide. That's the general name of Ri, that is alkyl iodide. Then RONA, that is sodium alkoxide, where this is Na plus and RO minus, that is the charge of this reagent, and RO, that part is the nucleophilic part. So instead of X, ROR. So instead of X, OR will be substituted. We will get ROR, that is ether. Then in the case of NH3, that is ammonia, NH2 is the nucleophilic part, we will get an amine. In the case of KCN, CN is the nucleophilic part, we will get cyanide. In the case of AgCN, here also the nucleophilic part is CN, but the linkage is different, that the product is RNC, and that is isocyanide. KNO2 and AgNO2, in these cases NO2, that is a nucleophilic part, but the linkage is different. One is ONO, that is alkyl nitrite. The other is NO2, that is nitroalkane. Then lithium aluminium hydride, that is another reagent where hydrogen is the nucleophile and RH, that is hydrocarbon, that is the main product. So these are the common nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides.